Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing my full hair routine when I do a braid out. So we're talking both my cleansing steps as well as my styling steps all in one video, and this video is in partnership with Matrix, and I'm so excited to share with you guys the A Curl Can Dream system. These products define the curls, moisturize the hair with no flakes and no crunchiness, and it's infused with manuka honey extract to really moisturize the hair. I mean, we have no silicones, no parabens, no mineral oil, no petroleum. I just love how these products moisturize my hair and define it. So if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. So let's get started. Every wash day, I always start by drenching my hair in water because I always find that shampoo suds up a lot better when my hair is drenched. Not just a little wet, but drenched. So I spend a lot of time just rinsing my hair before I apply the shampoo. For shampoo, I'm using the Matrix A Curl Can Dream shampoo, and this is going to remove the buildup, oils, and styling products that you have in your hair, which I love this shampoo. It suds up so fast, and it really just cleansed my hair and prepped it for the conditioner step that I did next. But I love that this shampoo is infused with manuka honey extract like all the products except the oil is. And in the past, I've done DIY hair masks, and my hair loves honey, so I love that these products have that. Next, I went in with the Matrix A Curl Can Dream Rich Mask, and I used it for 5 minutes, and when I tell you, my hair detangled so freaking well. I can run my hands through my hair, and having curly hair, that's kind of unheard of. So this rich mask was everything. And these products don't have any silicone, so the fact that I was still able to have that slip, it was awesome. I haven't shared this with you guys, but I've been put on a no silicone diet for my hair by my hairstylist, but I just do less silicones, and I've noticed a huge difference in the definition of my hair. So the Matrix A Curl Can Dream system is really great if you're looking for products that don't have any silicones, but they also don't have any parabens, mineral oils, petroleum, paraffins, and the co-wash mask, cream, gel, and oil are also free from sulfates. So this system is just everything, you guys. So let's get to what I'm actually doing. I decided to do a braid out because I wanted to do a middle part, and I find braid outs do a lot better for me when I'm doing a middle part. And I always part my hair first because I like to part my hair on really wet hair. Even though my hair looks dry, I promise you it's wet. But I went in with the A Curl Can Dream moisturizing cream, and then I went and put on top of that the A Curl Can Dream light hold gel, and now I'm applying on top of that the A Curl Can Dream lightweight oil. And then after that, I'm just making sure all the hair is going in the same direction by detangling with a detangling comb. And then after that, I go in and start braiding, which my mom calls these plaits. So plaits or braids or whatever the case, I'm just going to braid my hair down using 3 strands, and then once I get to the bottom, I'm going to do a hanging bantu knot. So the way that I do that is I make a loop around my finger and then twist it around the braid and then pull it down. It honestly is better like just looking at what I'm doing as opposed to me explaining it, because it doesn't really make any sense, but it's much easier than you think. Honestly, it's very simple. So you just make a loop and then twist it around the braid and then just pull it down. So I'm repeating all those steps all over my head by first going in with the A Curl Can Dream moisturizing cream, then the light hold gel, and then the lightweight oil, detangling the section, and then braiding it down and creating a hanging bantu knot. And I love how Matrix is for all hair types, and their products are so professional to where they actually created this line over the course of 3 years, and they partnered with curl experts and stylists to create 6 professional products. And so I love how they took their time to really create some amazing products. So after I finished my entire head, I let my hair air dry overnight. That's my favorite way to kind of set my styles because it's a no heat option, but every now and then I'll sit under the dryer, but most of the time I will air dry my styles. And then the next morning I'll take my hair down and reveal the style, which is what I'm doing now. So now I'm just taking the A Curl Can Dream lightweight oil and applying that all over my braids first, and then I'm taking it just on my fingertips to help take down the braid. This is probably my least favorite part of braid outs. They seem to take so much longer than a twist out. Well, definitely takes much longer than a twist out to take down, which is, you know, it is what it is, I guess. But now I'm just fluffing my hair out, which is my favorite part of my styles. I like to make my hair bigger and really just pick it out and separate the sections and all of that. I always take down the braid or the twist first, and then I go back over to really fluff it out. And then I went in with the A Curl Can Dream lightweight oil, and I just applied this to my hair to really seal in the moisture. And I'm also fluffing out my hair a little bit more. So that is the completed video. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. You guys always love when I do hair videos, so hopefully this one you guys liked as well. So if you guys want to check out the Matrix A Curl Can Dream system, because these products are everything. I just love how my hair isn't weighed down by silicones with these products, and they really help to define and moisturize the hair. So if you guys want to check out this line, then make sure that you check out the description box for all the links to the products. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, make sure that you subscribe down below before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.